48%. Nearly half of all construction adjudications are caused by a lack of competence, not by bad weather, not by bad luck, by a system that stopped asking the right questions. Self-employed professionals treated like employees, timesheets instead of outcomes, day rates instead of accountability, IR35 exposure, vicarious liability, governance gaps hidden in email chains and WhatsApp threads. The construction industry builds extraordinary things, but the way it manages its people is broken. Magnus saw this and refused to accept it. Shared, risk, solutions. Not a recruitment agency, a consultancy partner that embraces accountability where others run from it. Clara Futura World is proud to stand alongside Magnus CQP, bringing the research, the intelligence architecture, and Clara AI to this mission. Performance contracts, not timesheets. Compliance by design, not by accident. Payments tied to real outcomes, not hours on site. This is what deeply human, deeply AI looks like in practice. Listen to Rebuilding Construction's Compliance Crisis on the Clara Futura World podcast and discover why the future of construction begins with getting the people right. I am Clara Nexus. Expect